From here, it's gonna come all the way out like this, big platform. So we probably got another 60 or 70 yards of dirt that got to go in right here. And once again, big waterfalls coming down like that, so that you can drive out, you can just feel it. Negative ions right in your car window. Anyways, buenos dias everybody. It is early, it's 6 o'clock in the morning. Fish are active. All right, here we are at Logan's house. We're doing a quick look at some of the sprinklers are running. We're doing a couple little projects out here. So as you can see, the pond is running really nice. Check it out. So what we have is another couple little projects going on back here in the back. This is a sauna. This is the materials for a barn that we are putting somewhere in this location. You may be putting in a basketball court, so we're making a decision right now. So this quick update from Logan's here. Look how beautiful it is out here today. I mean, it's so gorgeous. From the 101 over the Malibu Canyon to the coast. We are going to another project that I'm about to sign the contract with right now. It's for a 8-foot wide water wall, 8 foot tall. It's going to be a really unique water wall. It'll look like waves coming down. It's for the front of one of the coolest trailer parks in the world. I'm going to park outside somewhere. We're going to go talk to Skip. He's the general contractor that we're going to sign the contract with. I did this about 3 months ago, the proposal. For once, it's not my truck that's messing everything up. That's someone else out there. But check out this project. Killer, the Point du May Trailer Club. It's right behind me here. An iconic trailer park here in Malibu, California. So this is what we're building, right? Right there at the base of those palm trees. Check out this front yard. It's like a family dream, you know. You got the kids' playhouse, the pool, fire pit. There's a trampoline pit over there, ocean views, Spanish style home. We're making a lot of noise in Malibu today. You got waterfall sound all coming down. So he's got some huge fish in there. We want to add a bunch of space for fish, so we're putting a big we're putting a 10 by 16 pond. All right, Darren's getting them set up with a materials list for what they're going to need for tomorrow. We got another project just a couple blocks away from here, so I'm going to shoot down there now. We're going down and seeing another project right down the street, so this should be pretty cool. Next property here in Malibu. My favorite property of all properties anywhere. Cabo, Hawaii. I don't know, this place is rad. Perros. What's up, boys? All right, I see black.
Black, that's good.
That's good. I like black. Look at this place. This place is sweet. All right, so they're getting ready to start setting some rock. Beautiful. It's gonna be big. One for this too, right? So we can run a pipe up here and then a T hit that side. And then one up there. You gotta check out this property. This is one of my favorite views ever. be unbelievable. Not a bad place to spend an afternoon and build a pond. All right, thanks guys, good job. It's about noon and we're going to Calabasas. Check that out. We are done with the Calabasas job. It went about a week and a half over. No big deal. It was a great job. It's from what I understand, it looks amazing. I have not seen it done yet. So we will see this together. All right, so here's a project. Calabasas, Parkway Calabasas. On the front is an HOA. We will be building whole new waterfalls here, putting in a pondless waterfall that's going to come way out to here. So it's going to start up like it's coming behind here. We're going to bring a lot of dirt in, bring it out, and have it come down that way. Big waterfalls. Here's the other side. You can already smell the chlorine. It's so disgusting. So same thing, but this one's going to come up, start up on the hill a little more. That when people are driving in, I want the waterfalls close over here. So it's demo all this out. You can just feel it. Negative ions right in your car window. Cool. Let's go check it out up close. So this thing looks amazing. All right, here we are wrapping up over at, well, I'm wrapping up for the day over here at the Malibu project that we're rebuilding the pond, adding a bigger pond onto it. It's gonna be pretty cool when it's done. They're gonna have it excavated today and liner in tomorrow, rock going in the next couple days after that. So we're kind of getting it done right away because we got those fish in a temporary container right now and they're not liking it that much. So there's plenty of water and plenty of aeration, filtration in there for them now, but they're going to be much happier in their new digs in that pond we built. So pretty cool little view from this front yard of this project we're at right here. If you're interested in seeing projects like this, you know, cool little pools getting remodeled and old school fire pits that people make, then smash that subscribe button. Like this post, comment down below, let us know what we could do better, what you want to see, and we'll ignore that and keep doing what we're doing. So I'm standing at the top of the waterfalls here. Is it still on me? Me and the bees are cool. They don't sting me, I don't kill them.